Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It's Monday, August 7th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day here. A little bit of a higher trend to these grain markets to start off the week. They have a lot to make up here from last week's trade as it was a bit lower. But you came over the weekend and you were supposed to get quite a bit of moisture covering the entire Corn Belt, and really that just didn't happen. You were supposed to get about an inch covering Iowa. It seemed like the rains really fizzled out along the Nebraska-Iowa border, and Iowa really didn't get any precip whatsoever this weekend, and so starting to get a little bit dry there. They have been dry for quite a bit, especially the southern half of it. The saving grace has been cooler temperatures, but still with that limited precip, starting to have some crop stress show up, especially into the corn market. So corn up anywhere from 5 to 6 cents higher, beans up anywhere from 11 to 13 cents higher, and wheat market up anywhere from 7 to 9 cents. So a lot of positivity. We do get crop conditions here this afternoon. That'll give a lot of details and then probably be the driving force for tomorrow's trade. Market looking like you could be seeing some steady to slight increases in crop conditions for corn and soybeans. So that'll be the biggest thing to see. Whether or not that holds true, got a little bit of a surprise for corn conditions last week, but corn was just not able to handle itself against soybeans being down hard all week long. And so that's where you saw that pressure come into meat markets. Cattle market struggling with a corn market being up a little bit. So almost limit lower into live cattle, feeder cattle down about $3 to $4. Hog market though finding some support up $1, and then over those outside markets pretty limited trade. Crude market a little bit lower, US dollar a little bit lower. If that continues to stay where it's at or even work its way down to the next price count, we should see some demand pop up from that US dollar. So did have some sales here announced this morning, and if we can keep that going, that's going to be really helpful for these S&Ds. And then the Dow market having some slight increases there. Like I said, moving forward, biggest thing is going to be those crop conditions that get released this afternoon, and that's going to be what we're going to see trading here tomorrow. Have a great day.